Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chidima of Ucnoeline Beauty Empire. If you are new here, welcome, and for you my old subscribers, thank you for coming back. So guys, on today's video I want to show you guys how I make dreadlocks using Brazilian wool, and the tools I showed you are the tools I'm gonna use to make these dreadlocks. One is a spoke, normal spoke for the dreadlocks, another one is crochet, and this is what my wool looks like. You have to comb your wool, Brazilian wool, to be this soft. Then you separate and take the quantity of wool, the amount you want, no matter depending on the how thick or the density, the thickness, sorry, you want it. So I'm going to fold it. If you want it more thick, because this is long, I will fold it into two equal parts, and it's going to affect the length as well. So, but I want it to be a little bit longer. That's why I'm going to fold it 1 inch at the at one end, like so, and I start doing the dreadlocks. I'm going to show you how to use a crochet pin, the normal crochet pin, to do the dreadlocks, and also I will show you how to use this spoke to do the dreadlocks. So I have done something like this video sometime. You can check one of the videos. I'm going to put the link somewhere, or you check the description box. In that video I used braiding attachment to make, and also throughout the video I think I used more of crochet to make the dreadlocks. But in this video I'm going to use more of this, and also to show you how you can use your Brazilian wool to do dreadlocks. So guys, at this point I'm going to let you stay back and relax, enjoy watching this video. I will come back and talk to you guys again later. As you can see, the dreads and the lock are started already. Now I'm going to show you how to use the crochet pin. That's why I wanted to go and watch that video, so you know how I use crochet pin. I think that is more detailed, how I use crochet pin to do dreadlocks, and also how I converted braiding attachment into dreadlocks. So make sure you go watch that video and also come back and watch this video, or after watching this video you can watch that video. It's very necessary if you want to learn how to do dreadlocks. Okay, so the way I'm doing is I'm thrusting the crochet in and out of the Brazilian wool, like so. As I thrust it in and I'm pulling it out, it's coming out with some strands of wool. And once I bring out the strand, the few strands, maybe you may not see them. Once I bring them out, I'm going to drop it and also thrust the crochet pin in again, pull it out. By so I am interlocking the strands, the tiny strands that are coming out with the crochet or the spoke. We are bringing it out through using the crochet. You can see, check closely. That's what I'm doing. Just thrust in and out, thrust your crochet pin in and out of the braiding hair or the hair you are using. I have come to realize that you can use any hair, or I think you can use any hair to crochet depending on your skill. And you know, it might be difficult for you as a beginner if you're doing this, but don't be too hard on yourself. Just keep trying. With time you get used to doing the dreadlocks. I'll keep on doing it till I form the shape or the size of the dreads, the texture or whatever I want. Then I continue with the rest of the dread. As you can see, it is forming. It's already forming. Yeah. So guys, I'll come back again and talk to you guys when necessary. Keep watching, please. So now I'm using the spoke. Since I've shown you how you can use your crochet to do the dreadlocks. I did that so that if you don't have this book, you can as well get away with using your crochet. That's why I showed how to use crochet, and I still insist go and with that video I mentioned earlier. I use crochet throughout that video. Now I'm showing you how to use this book. This book is much easier in my own opinion, because when I did that video, some people suggested that I use this book, that this book is much easier, which yes, I attest to it, that this book is much easier. Just pull it and push it in and pull it out, push it in and pull it out. As it's coming out, it's coming with some few strands of hair and also interlocking each strand. Yeah, it's dreadlocking is by interlocking the strands of the hair you are locking. Interlock them so that they will not get unravel. It's going to remain like that. Okay, I will keep on doing it this way with this book. This book is much easier, which you guys are seeing from the video. It's more like it's more self-explanatory. Just push it in and pull it out, push it in and pull it out, push it in and pull it out. I'll continue doing that way till I get to the very end, or where I want the dreadlocks to stop. I'm not going to do it lucky to the very end. No, I'm going to leave some strands, some hair left on the dreadlock, and that was the end. And I already made a video on how to attach the dreadlocks on a wig. I did a video on that, on a wig, which also you have to check. If you want to watch the video, check the link here somewhere here. Also check the description box. You can watch the video in case you are wondering how you can attach these dreadlocks on your head. The same thing, the same way I attach it on a wig is the same way you can attach it on your hair. And also, someone suggested if I can make a lock with loop. I think I will consider doing that. And if you're interested in seeing me making some locks with loop, let me know in the comment section so that I will consider making such video for you guys. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for coming back and sticking with me to this moment, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate your support and your comments. Yeah, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask your question in the comment section. You know, as usual, I try my possible best to make sure I answer your questions. And if you're interested, in case you don't know, I make braided wigs and closures, frontals. If you're interested in any of these products, please check the description box, the column in the description box that says to order a wig. I'm going to leave my link, the link to my WhatsApp number here, so that you can contact me. Also, you can contact me via mail. So this is what the vlog looks like so far. You see, I rubbed it with my palms so that it will be, I will smoothen it out a little bit, then I continue. That's how I'm going to continue doing the log till the final. So guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and if you found this video helpful, if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button, okay, so that the algorithm will also push it to more viewers. And also comment what you think. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and join this family. Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. I can't take you guys for granted. So guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video the last, and also I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.